guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this super cute, easy blunt bob quick weave. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, definitely stay tuned. So y'all, I just woke up. Oh Lord, I look crazy, but anyways, this is my hair. You guys know I just cut my hair, so this is just me showing you how short it is in the back, and then I have my little bangs in the front. And right now I am just parting my hair, so I'm leaving out some of my edges, as you can see, so that you can't like see the tracks or whatever, and it looks a little bit more natural. And then obviously I'm going to do a middle part bob, so I do have the center parted out as well. So now I'm going to take this Got2b glue, and this is going to be my molding product. This is what I'm going to use to get my hair super slick and super hard, because you want to create a base on your quick weave so that your glue or the glue doesn't stick to your hair. So I'm literally going to slick this down like crazy and comb through it and all that good stuff, just to make sure it's nice and flat and slick. I have a huge freaking head, so this process took a minute because my hair is really thick and my head is really big. So yes, I am just combing my hair right on down and struggling a little bit as well. So this is what it looks like after I've slicked it down, and now I'm gonna go sit underneath the dryer. So now that I'm back from the dryer, I'm just gonna literally put the wig cap on. My hair is rock hard, you guys. It is rock freaking hard. So we do not have to worry about any glue getting stuck to my hair. So I'm just pulling down the cap enough for me to be able to see underneath it, so I can see where I'm gluing the tracks. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is from Beauty Forever Hair, of freaking course. You guys know I love Beauty Forever. They have some bomb hair, okay? The best of the best. So now I'm just gluing the tracks on in the back, and I'm going to attempt to use one bundle, but my head's way too big for that, so I know I'm not going to use one bundle. But literally it's a repetitive motion. If you guys need a more in-depth video, there's plenty of them on YouTube, but I'm literally just going in a circular motion all the way until I get to the top. So now I called my husband in to help me because I ended up finishing, my camera died, so I needed his help to cut my hair for me. So I asked him to grab his good old clippers and just kind of help me cut it into a really blunt cut. And that's what he's doing now. As you can see on the left side, I had already attempted to cut it myself, but as you can see, I failed. So yeah, he had to come in and help me. So this next little bit of clips is just going to be him cutting my hair. So my camera ended up dying, but this is what it turned out to look like after I flat ironed my hair and did my edges. It looks seamless, you guys. This looks like my hair when I had it cut into a bob. I freaking love it. This hair is gorgeous. It's super full. Mind you, this is only one bundle and like 2 tracks from the second bundle, so it's a nice density and it looks super natural, and I just love it so much. You guys definitely need to check out Beauty Forever Hair. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one.